why not just use Excel? This is a question I do get sometimes, right? Why would I use Power BI when I can just go ahead and use Excel? I think they both have their advantages, but Power BI excels in many different areas. I listed a couple of them here, but I'll dive into, the details one by one. So, like data visualizations, a lot of the graphs that are available in Excel are not as customizable as the ones in Power BI. There's much more advanced options. And you can also scale it a lot better. So that means that Power BI can connect to various data sources directly. It can process large amounts of data sets. It won't crash on you. Um, and you can create a data model directly within Power BI. That means that I can build tables and relationships within Power BI. I will do this again within Power BI Query, which is lacking in Excel. You have access to real-time data. So within Excel, you can manually refresh your data, but in Power BI, you can create automatic refreshes on a schedule where it'll refresh the data overnight, or up to 8 times a day for Pro or 16 times a day for Premium. And if for whatever reason that data doesn't refresh, it'll send the owner of the data sets a notification to see why it didn't do that. Interactive dashboards. Okay, so this is the big one. I love the fact that within Power BI, I can cross-filter data. So if I'm looking at a dashboard and I see a data point that catches my eye, I can drill into it and dig deeper as to and find more details into that specific data point. So if I find a metric by month, I can drill into by week or by day and just add more context interactively within Power BI. I still think Excel has some benefits and it has its place. For example, data entry is good in Excel, or if you're doing like ad hoc financial calculations, you might want to do that in Excel. But I would still bring that data into Power BI and leverage its reporting and dashboards. It's kind of like the veneers. You do some work in Excel, and then you can share it within Power BI.